sorry, with the 2 cores, but are 8 partitions. This data set is split into 8 partitions on this single local machine. Okay, and if we go to the user interface here, and now do an F5, you start to see here the results. See these collect commands? Yeah, this is an interesting number on the side. It says 8 of 8. This represents our 8 partitions. This previous collect here was when we ran it, and it was just 2 partitions. Yeah, so I can click on this first one here, this collect, drill down into the DAG visualization. So look at this. See that? I did parallelize, I did a map, and then a glom. So this is what it built in memory, the commands in memory, and then we actually then executed the collect final statement. Bang! This was actually then executed. All right, and then I can click on here. I can now see some additional details. So if I just very quickly do that, so we can see here are the 8, if you like, partitions. Okay, they're all on this local machine. It's telling me that, well, there's some additional information here. I can go in the event timeline, and here we can see the threads in action. So remember that this is only 2 cores, so 2 threads is actually instantiated, and you can almost read this, right? Look, this is, we have 8 partitions. So hey, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's 8 partitions here. So when you have 2 threads, right? So thread 1 and 2 is kicked off here, which is what you see here. Executed until you get to this point. So at this point here, this thread kicks in. This bottom thread here kicks in. Okay, and then this thread kicks in. So you see it? So it's almost like so you can see when there's only 2 threads acting at any one time. So when this guy is almost, I would say, so this thread that's executing, this thread kicks in, probably when this orange line here is terminated, and then this thread kicks in, and then this kicks in, this kicks in. You can see how the workload is split across the 2 threads that's been allocated. Okay,